Hello, today, I will show you how to enroll to highenglish.com. First, visit highenglish.com. Click the Enroll button. Here are the details on how to purchase your desired courses. After you complete your payment, we will email you your login credentials. Open or click the link that you received after your purchase. It will open a tab where you can set your desired password. Now, enter your desired password and click Continue. You can now log in using your email and the password you set earlier. After you logged in, a pop-up window will appear and will show you the courses you bought. Just click the course and you can start learning it. This is the first lesson. It has a slideshow where you can choose to play it, then it will automatically go to the next slide every 5 seconds. Or you can manually click the next or previous button to go to the next slide. Below is the exam for this lesson. It is a multiple choice, so choose your answer carefully for each questions, and below there is a submit button for you to submit your answers. On the top right corner, click My Account. Here, you can view all the courses that you bought and also the logout button for you to be able to log out to your account. The next time you log in, you don't need to go back to your email. Just go to the website highenglish.com and in the top right corner, click the login. Input your login credentials. You can now continue your journey.